In this lesson, I will show you how to customize ribbon. Here I am inside this home tab, and inside this home tab there are a few different groups inside this ribbon. Let's say you want to add few more tools inside this feature group, which is available inside this feature group, but it is not showing here because normally frequently we are not using it. But for your design, maybe you have to use it. In that case, you can add that tool inside this feature. If I go to this drop down menu, there is a tiny down arrow is showing. If I select this, and here I will see all tools available inside this feature group. So if I go to this second option, this is by default check, and if I go inside this, here I can see this is extrude and revolve is by default check. If I go to this drop down menu of this extrude and revolve, and there are two different options is showing, but if I go to this drop down menu again, now if I, let's say I want to add this tool inside this, so I will select it. Now if I go to this drop down menu, this is here. So this is how, if you want, you can add your tool inside this. Now let's say you want to add some other tool which is not inside this group. So in that case, you have to right click anywhere inside this group and go to customize. From here you have to select all commands. From here, let's say I will select measure. I want to put this measure distance inside this, so I will select it, drag and drop to somewhere here, and this is that measure tool I can add inside this feature group. If you want to delete any tool, just right click anywhere inside this ribbon, go to customize, then select this measure distance, right click, and from here you can delete it. I can select reset. If I select reset, nothing will change. If I right click and delete, it will delete, and you can see this is deleted from here. If you want to add any new group, you can also do that from here. From this customization, I will go to new item. From here you can see this is new group. I have to select, press and hold my left mouse button, drag and drop to here in this blank area, and you can see this is my new group. Inside this new group, I have to add few more tools, so I will add this measure distance. I will drag and drop inside this. Then I will add another tool which is called trim corner and also trim sheet. So I added 3 new tools inside my new group. Now I will press close, and you can see this is my new group with 3 new tools. Now if I want to delete it, I have to right click anywhere inside this ribbon, then go to customize. From here I will right click on this group and delete. If I want, I can also delete any tool from here, right click on this tool and delete. But I want to delete my full group, I don't need this, so I will select delete and it will be deleted. If you want to add any new group which is already there but it is not showing here, in that case you have to go to the right corner of this ribbon, select this ribbon option, and from here you will find all group here, and from here you can add any group if you want. Let's say if I want to add edit feature group, if I select it, you will see it will be added inside this. So I do not need this, I will unselect this. So this is how, if you want, you can also add any group from this ribbon option.